Hi, I'm Pam Terrell. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're putting together a recipe from Whole 4 Meals on page 42, and it's done. Perfect timing. On page 42, and it is called Sweet Potato Spirals and Beans. And in a previous video, I showed you how to spiralize a sweet potato, which you can use that for zucchini, carrots, cucumber, root vegetables, all kinds of different things. So that if you're avoiding, pasta or just want to not have that all the time, it's a really great option. What I love about this recipe is the sweet potato gives it a sweet flavor that the other vegetables really don't. And it's very balancing, I feel like. So what we've done is I made the sweet potato spirals, so they just came out of the oven. You heard the buzzer, they're done. The rest of the recipe calls for a clean pasta sauce, and I use an organic one with no added chemicals or anything in it. And then the white beans have actually been marinating in olive oil, Italian seasoning, and sea salt. And I like to get those marinating while the sweet potatoes cook because it just helps get the flavor all throughout the beans instead of just drizzling it on the top. All right, let's put this together. So here are the sweet potatoes that we made. And I do put those on parchment paper and not aluminum foil because we don't need any added aluminum. Actually made quite a bit. Poor me, I have to eat this for dinner afterwards. Okay, and then I have heated up the pasta sauce. So I'm going to make a little kind of a hole here, pour that on. Delicious. And then we're going to put the beans, just kind of stir them around and get the olive oil as distributed as you can. There you go. The flavors are really great. And then I have fresh basil that is best when you tear and not cut, chop. And it's Florida here, it's really hot out, so it's hard to keep basil growing this time of year. But I just got some fresh today, so lucky me. Okay, sweet potato spirals and beans. It's as simple as that, and that is a Whole 4 meal right there. And I hope you enjoy it. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel below. I will link the Spiralizer and anything else that I used. And I'm gonna go eat, but you have my permission to go play with some food.